Here we are in Otay Mesa, California, down here by the border, San Diego County. We're working on this tilt up. We're doing 76 piers, 14 down the sides and 48 across the back. I believe my math is correct, but basically the situation out here is this building was recently bought by a new owner, and the previous owner, he started having signs of settlement in the actual back corner on the right. There's actually like a 3-inch gap where you can see the sky through where the roof and the walls meet. And basically from what the owner was explaining to me, the previous owner didn't do nothing. He would put some catch pans down to catch some rain when it rained, but other than that, he wasn't interested in getting nothing. So, however, the new owner, he's on top of it, going with us. We're doing, like I said, 76, 350 push piers. And we're dealing with some deep footings, some thick footings, but basically made no job too small for us, and we'll get it done. This job was originally scheduled for 6 weeks. However, there's things called unforeseens, and we've been uncovering a few of those as we've been going along. And so who really knows exactly how much longer it's going to be, but I'm confident that we'll be able to get it done as close to on schedule, even with all the unforeseen situations. So unforeseens, unfortunately, are quite common. I mean, because when you look at something at face value, you can't really see until you get into the middle of it, what is actually going on, what happened has happened. And unfortunately, those are things that can't be detected even by the best salesmen that we have, but we do the best we can to mediate the situation and take care of it. So on this project, like I mentioned earlier, we have some really deep footings, and with that being said, not only are the footings deep, like the diameters are coming out like 2.5 feet by 3 feet thick, whereas on a residential, your typical pier can be an 18-inch pier, maybe 2 feet with a 6 to 8 inch stem wall. So the guys and myself are having some more difficult challenges, having to do extra excavation, excessive chipping, but we got to do what we got to do.